we're building a pump house today. And so you're gonna see how we're setting it up, setting up the structure. The totes carry 275 gallons of water. So if we fill it up to the top, each gallon weighs 10 pounds. So that's over a ton of water if we filled it up to the top, because a ton is 2,000 pounds. So 275 pounds or gallons of water is 2,750 pounds of weight. So we have to make sure that the structure is stable, it's set up on block, it's got a good base on it. So you're gonna see us doing all that today. Please hit the like button if you like our videos. It really helps us out. If you are new to the channel, please feel free to go back and check out the other videos that we have, and see what all we've done on our homestead. We came out here, if you've never seen us before, we came out here from the city to undeveloped land. There was nothing here but trees when we first came out here. So you can see all of that if you go back and look at our previous videos. And like I said, if you like them, please hit the thumbs up because that helps our channel.
more could you ask for? Now I'm not going to take this edge down all the way because the next board's going to slide in there. That's going to be so when I pull this off, you just pull the whole thing off and I have to worry about it. here is our pump house. That is what's going to keep our totes from freezing. I built an enclosure right here for our Insta-Hot tank for our showers. So this is all enclosed, nice. It won't hurt nothing. I got the pipes have been insulated for this, so we're good there. We don't have to worry. That's our gas line, runs down. I keep our gas chained up right there because we do have some thieves on our homestead somewhere around here. Somebody's coming and stealing stuff. Well, I kind of deter it by putting that stuff there, along with the barbed wire run fence that we got. Hey, anything will work to deter somebody from stealing something from you. So, the pump house. The reason for building it, the emergency for building it is we lost one tote because of the freeze. And totes aren't cheap. If any of you know, it's 350 bucks. That ball valve goes, it's gone, forget about it. Get another one. I'm gonna use this door to shimmy up here because I'm busy building something else you're gonna get to see in another video. Okay. All right. So as you come into our totes, you'll see our totes right there. We put some storage there, but we have our 275 gallon tote sitting in here now. It's enclosed. Everything has been insulated all the way through. These will not be there all the time. This is only temporary so we can take some showers. That's the way I got the shower hooked up. Now down here, we're gonna put a floor pan in for our shower, and then we're gonna fill this in so we have an area to take a shower. This place holds its heat pretty good. I mean, it's warmer in here than it is outside right now. Use it for doing dishes. This will heat up the water for our dishes. This tote here will last us roughly about a month. We get a month out of 275 gallons. That's how much we reserved our waste. Now, if you think about those city folk out there using this stuff like we used to, we would blow through this much water in probably about 4 days. Not here, not in the homestead. You gotta be smart about what you're doing here. It's actually a little warmer in here than it is outside. Kind of hating about going outside, but so you guys get to see it. This is it. You'll see us do some more work on this as time goes through. This hole right here, you're probably wondering, what's that hole? That hole is going to be our fill tube from our pump and our well to fill up the tote. So we won't have to run a hose no more. We've been running a hose to fill this thing up. This thing will fill up in roughly about an hour and 15 minutes, maybe less, depending on if I full open it or I just partially. Normally I just partially because I walk away from it and I know it'll take me about an hour, hour and a half to fill if I just crack it open, just enough water to feed it to fill it up, and then I'm good. If I turn it full, this thing will fill up so fast, I'll forget about it and I'll have water everywhere. That's my biggest screw up with this stuff if I don't pay attention. But so you guys kind of got an idea. Like I said, this is going to be the shower area right here. We're going to enclose this. I got some really cool tips for you guys and tricks for you guys to save you money so you don't have to spend it. Because doing a bathroom is supposed to be expensive, ain't it? Not in my homestead. I figured out ways to come up with ideas of doing a bathroom I think you guys are going to love.